We know service can be inconvenient. If you are experiencing any noise, vibration, or off-balance issues, watching this video may help you troubleshoot the problem and potentially prevent you from needing service. As always, please refer to the owner's manual and product guide found online by searching for your model number on whirlpool.com or check out producthelp.whirlpool.com for more troubleshooting information. If your washing machine is making noises such as shaking, vibrating, or walking, it may be unbalanced. Here are a few tips to resolve the issue. Ensure that all 4 shipping bolts have been removed from the rear panel and not reinstalled. These are needed to keep the drum in place during transportation only. Leaving the bolts installed will cause interference with the washer performance and may result in vibration, noise, or even washer damage. Make sure that the washer is properly leveled and all 4 feet are making firm contact with the ground. Using a level, make sure the washer is level from left to right and front to back. You can check washer foot contact by gripping the machine and attempting to gently rock the unit back and forth and side to side. No rocking movement is good. After all 4 feet are in contact with the ground and the washer is level, tighten the washer feet jam nuts against the base of the washer. The jam nuts must be tight against the bottom of the cabinet base to work properly and prevent the feet from loosening over time. For a more detailed leveling video and other common setup improvements, go to our W Service YouTube channel. If the washer is installed on a pedestal, make sure the 4 washing machine mounting screws are tight. The pedestal's feet are in firm contact with the floor, and confirm that the unit is level in accordance with the installation instructions. Additionally, check that the pedestal feet jam nuts are tightened against the base of the pedestal. Also check that the pedestal screws are installed to the proper base mounting holes of the washer. If done correctly, the front of the pedestal drawer will be flush with the front of the washing machine. Lastly, check that the machine is loaded properly. For optimal performance and appliance longevity, load your front load washer loosely, aiming for about 1/4 to 3/4 full. Ensure the load can tumble freely, allowing water to circulate effectively and the machine to balance the load. Overloading the drum with tightly packed clothes will make it difficult for the machine to balance the load. When washing very small loads or a single bulky item, it may be necessary to add a few extra items to balance the machine. Choose the cycle that is the most appropriate for the load you are washing. A cycle guide can be found online and in the manuals and documents section of your specific model.